Pro Point cast iron sleeve, 420. Pro Point cast iron sleeve, 420. Electric start. Yeah. So my stepfather's wood splitter, wood processor, runs on one of these Honda clone engines, and for some reason it started throwing flames out the exhaust, and he went and got a new one. I think this one is actually a little bit bigger, 15 horsepower, 420 cc. There's the old one there. Not sure what's going on with it. He took the head off, but this is the same block, the big block single cylinder Honda clone. Same engine that's on the junk buggy, dune buggy. Maybe it can be salvaged for the junk buggy because this one has electric start. Well, I think she's coming together. Had to do some modifications. Had to purchase a 1-inch drill bit. Well, she's on there. there's no room for wiggle room anywhere whatsoever. She's tight all the way around. Super close on that muffler, but she's on. Cast iron sleeve. Try to do a freaking cold start, maybe. Oh, that sounds promising. She's a little bit cold out today, but it's been warmer than the last couple days. It's like -3 or 4 degrees, I think, right now. And she's carbureted. I think the pull start actually works better for some reason. Might have to give her the old pull start. What's the point? Electric start. Yeah, might have to give her the dirty yank or check the fuel. When she's cold. She's running and splitting, running and splitting wood. Maybe 1,500, 2,000 RPMs. It's not too bad. She's got the power. So she's a tight fit, but I think it's the same size as the previous engine, but it's a tight fit on the muffler and gas tank. We just had a blizzard, so there's like 2 feet of snow here, and we're gonna be splitting up some of these big suckers. That thing's about 15-inch diameter. That one's probably 20-inch diameter. I grew up on these streets.
Yeah. And there's like two Lamborghinis.
I planted an apple seed. Johnny Appleseed. The shaft.